Days on end, now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time, I'm the last one you.
Hey you guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reese. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this gorgeous skunk stripe hairstyle. This is brought to you by West Kiss Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this bag, I received some eyelashes, an edge control brush, an elastic band, a bonnet, as well as a wig cap, and a head wrap. This unit is a 22-inch skunk stripe body wave human hair unit. She is a 13x4 lace frontal unit, 180% density with a natural hairline, and also has adjustable straps and combs. So grab your powder, 50 volume developer, and also some Adore Rich Eggplant, and we're gonna mix that up to create a nice thick consistency. We're gonna take our Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray and spray the hairline and comb the hair back to avoid over bleaching your baby hairs or like the small flyaways. These knots were actually very, very thick, so what I did was get my 50 volume developer cream and just brush that onto the lace first and let that sit for about 30 minutes. I then washed it off with regular warm water and then applied the bleach on top of that and let that sit for about an hour. These knots were very thick, so it definitely needed to sit for a longer period of time. So here, as you can see, I'm washing out this unit. I'm going to take my Shimmer Lights conditioning purple shampoo and just wash all throughout this unit. This will help tone that skunk stripe that was on this wig. Look at how fast it turns silver. I love the ashy tones on my skin, so yeah, if you really want to keep that, you know, orange look, then definitely avoid using purple conditioner and purple shampoo. But as you can see, I'm using purple conditioner and purple shampoo because I love the silver look. And then I'm finishing off with a hair mask and then let that sit for a few minutes and wash it out. The hair got so silky smooth, and now it's time to customize this unit. This is the hair the next day, air dried, and look at how bomb the hair looks. Here I'm going to start plucking this unit, so I part it in a zigzag lines and hot combing the ends down and beginning to pluck this unit. Because I bleached this unit so good that it didn't need too much plucking, so just let that know in the back of your head. If you like bleached the unit very good, you don't have to pluck as much off of the unit and the hairline will look very natural. You see that? We are done plucking the hairline. We're gonna go ahead and layer this unit. So what I'm gonna do is do a middle part because I just love a middle part, and I'm gonna take my Reese Wigs wax stick. You can get that down below on my website. And here I'm just going to take my hot comb and flatten out that part. This will help guide me into cutting layers into this unit. Always start with your bangs first and using the bangs as a guide to layering the rest of the hair. I have a better hair tutorial on how I layer my units. It will be linked in the comment cards and also in the description down below. So after I'm done layering, I'm going to take my She Silk Infusion and put that all throughout the hair. Don't put too much, but make sure it's just lathered into the hair. And then I'm going to take my Vita E hairspray and spray each section down and then curl and then pin it up after I curl it, just so the curls can cool down while I'm working on the rest of the head. A quick tip to curling your units and making those curls stay is pin curling and also adding hairspray before and after. Look at how gorgeous these curls look. So now it's time to install this unit. I'm going to start off with my wig cap and putting some concealer on it using my Ruby Kiss concealer. I'll have it linked down below. Don't forget to add that to your wig as well inside the cap and on the perimeter of the hairline. But as you know, well, if you are new on my channel, I like to add and play some vibey music while you watch me install my units. So I found another cool vibey song that you heard in the intro. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you vibe out and watch me install this unit.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately.
along as much as I did. As you can see, I am pin curling my frontal part of this wig because now I was able to separate my edges from the rest of this unit. So always, if you do want to curl outside off your head, just avoid not curling your frontal part, just so it leaves you room to customize this unit and shape your head rather than the dome head itself, if that makes sense. And then while that cools, we're going to work on our edges. So this is nothing new. I'm just gonna take out the braids, comb through my edges, and then I'm going to use my pencil flat iron to create those S and C curls. And then using my edge control brush and just swooping my baby hairs, and I like to finish it off with some hairspray so the baby hairs can hold. Now that I'm dressed and my makeup is done, we're going to focus back on this wig. I'm going to take out my pins in my curls, and then once I get all my pins out, I'm going to finger comb it towards my face, and then taking my wide tooth comb and combing it towards my face, and then shake my hair up and down. This will create a lot of volume within the hair. And then that's basically it. I just, clean up my bang area, making sure it's going to, face or shape my face a little bit more. And this is the final result. I absolutely love this unit, especially if you don't want to customize the skunk stripe. I want to thank you so much, West Kids Hair Company, for letting me try out a gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah.